Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
Shall we go and see who has come to visit us today?
Ai! He moko kākāriki. He moko kākāriki.
Aira, it's the moko kākāriki. What colour is its tinana body?
He kākāriki. Green.
That's right. Most of its tinana is kākāriki, green, and it has yellow āpure patches on its skin.
Yellow āpure patches on its skin.
The inside of its waha, mouth, is kikorangi.
Kikorangi blue. He waha kikorangi.
Ātāhua, beautiful. Kākāriki, kōwhai, kikorangi, colours of the moko kākāriki. Kārawe, Tākaro Tribe, colours that make you want to kanikani, dance.
Oh, yay!
Kuarite mai koutou?
Ai!
E tū tamariki mā. Are you ready to kanikani, dance, and waiata? Sing with us?
Me kanikani, me waiata. Yay! Matike, maranga, tutai o moena e hoama. Matike, maranga, me tina tata ki te kori kori tinana. Tuatahi, wirihia o ringa. Tuarua, wirihia o waiwai. Tuatoru, whātoro i te tinana. Tahi, rua, toru kei te rite. Tāpaka peke peke paku paku e. Tahi ka oma tino te rawa e. Are whana whiua to i huroa e. Paia! Watutuki i a koe. Matike, maranga. Ko te ao kei te kapu o tō ringa. Matike, maranga. Kia pai tō rā e huama? Matike, maranga. Ooh.
What is that moko kākāriki has given to you?
Aua.
Tākaro Tribe, that's Pāpā Rākau calling you. He'll be able to tell you what moko kākāriki gave to you. Haere rā, off you go.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aue.
Tēnā koutou, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Did you enjoy dancing with the moko kākāriki?
Ai rā.
Don't care. Awesome. I see you've brought something along with you. Let's take a closer look.
Ooh. Yay!
Do you know what it is?
Aua.
This is a type of manu, bird.
Manu, bird.
What are the soft things on its tinana, body?
Aua!
They are huruhuru, feathers.
Huruhuru. Feathers.
How do the huruhuru feel? Are they mainene, soft?
Ai. Mai nene. Soft.
It has sharp claws so it can ketu, scratch around looking for food. When it finds something to eat, it will timo, peck away at it.
Ketu. Scratch around. Timo. Pick.
It's a heihei.
Heihei.
Okay, awesome. It's time for us to visit some friends.
Heoi poro. That's my colour. He whetū wai poro.
The tamariki are feeding the heihei. Timo. The heihei are pecking at their kai. Ketu. Some are scratching around for kai. Look at the colours of the heihei. He whero, he maha, he kiwi, he mangu. Heihei lay eggs for us to eat. The tamariki are collecting the eggs. I wonder how many eggs there are today. This is the letter E.
Wahoo! It's me!
It sure is. Shall we learn how to write the letter E?
Ai!
E. Start with a line down the side. Now draw lines across the top, the middle, and the bottom. Kapai. Let's do it again. A line down the side, then across the top, the middle, and the bottom. E.
Yay!
Toke. Awesome. I hear Kōkā calling you. Time for you all to visit Kōkā. See you next time.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā!
What did you learn about today?
Heihei!
Heihei. Let's learn to spell it. Do you think we need a huh?
Ai!
Do you think we need a meh?
Cow?
Do you think we need an e?
Need an E? Ai! E?
Do you think we need an e?
Ai!
What about another H?
I.
What about another E?
I.
What about another E?
I.
Tino pai. Very good. That's all the letters we need. Let's all say the word together, and then you can try and spell it. Heihei. What's the first letter of the word Heihei?
Heihei. He.
Tino pai. H. Now try sounding out the word Heihei.
Hey. Hey.
That's right. See if you can find the letters for those sounds.
Hey.
Did you manage to spell the word Heihei?
Hey. 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 Yay!
Kārawe, well done. I knew you could do it.
It's huru-huru, feathers, a mainene, soft. Hey, hey, it's a hey-hey.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Roia tō mata, parai he hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moinga, takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moe ia, kia au.
He mea tautoko nā te māngai.
Pāho.